To get started with setting due dates, first open your web browser and type in the website address. Once you've accessed the site, log into your account using your email and password. This will take you to the home page, where you can view your tasks, search inbox, today's and upcoming tasks, filters, labels, and projects. You'll also find quick start templates and the option to add a team and browse more templates, all located on the left side of the page. If this section is not visible, simply click to expand it. To add a new task, click on Add Task and enter a recognizable name and description. Then, select the Set Due Date option, which will open a calendar displaying the current month and the next month. From here, you can choose a due date, either by selecting a preset option, such as today, tomorrow, or next week, or by manually choosing a date from the calendar. Once you've set the due date, it will be added to your task.